If you understand this text, your English level is C1. The sun rose gently over the rolling green hills, casting a warm, golden light across the landscape. It was early, and the sky was painted with soft shades of pink and orange. Birds chirped cheerfully in the trees, greeting the new day. The scent of fresh, dewy grass filled the crisp morning air. I stepped outside, cradling a steaming cup of tea between my hands, feeling its warmth spread through my fingers. Everything around me was calm and still. There was no traffic, no voices, no distractions, only the gentle sounds of nature creating a peaceful background. I walked slowly to a wooden bench nestled near the garden and sat down, enjoying the quiet beauty of the morning. As I gazed upward, the sky gradually shifted from soft pinks to a clear, serene blue. A small cat wandered into view, moving gracefully through the garden. Without hesitation, it leapt onto my lap and curled up, purring softly. I smiled, gently stroking its fur, and felt a wave of contentment wash over me. I closed my eyes briefly and inhaled deeply, savoring the moment. In our busy lives, we often rush from one task to the next, forgetting to pause. But this simple morning reminded me of the value of slowing down. It's often the quiet, ordinary moments, sitting in nature, sipping tea, feeling a cat's warmth, that bring us the greatest sense of peace and fulfillment. These are the moments that give life its true meaning.